15 English mistakes that Japanese people often make. Perfect for beginners and kids. That English actually doesn't work. It is gara-gara. That does not work. What should I say? It is empty. It is empty. It is full. That is not right. How do you say it? It is packed. It is packed. I am waiting order. That is not correct. What should I say? I am waiting in line. I am waiting in line. Make a line. That is not right. How do you say it? Stand in line. Stand in line. Do fast. That does not work. What should I say? Hurry up. Hurry up. Do slowly. That sounds odd. How do you say it? Take it easy. Take it easy. I am okay. That is not right. What should I say? It is fine. It is fine. Do not mind me. That is not right. How do you say it? Do not worry. Do not worry. I go later. That is not right. What should I say? I will go later. I will go later. I go now. That is not right. How do you say it? I will go right now. I will go right now. Wait a little. That sounds odd. What should I say? Wait a moment. Wait a moment. Say again. That is not right. How do you say it? Say it again. Say it again. I do not hear. That is not correct. What should I say? I cannot hear. I cannot hear. I do not understand. That is correct. Any other way? I do not get it. I do not get it. I understand. That is correct. Any other way? I got it. I got it. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.